Good morning, Eagles. We're back today with another great episode for Season 12, Episode 86 of Eagle News.
Happy Tuesday, everybody. For today's weather, it is going to be chilly and rainy. We're going to have a high of 48 degrees and a low of 23 degrees.
Brr, chilly. My name is Britton.
And my name is Lucy.
And we're your lounge hosts for today. Happy National Plum Pudding Day. Now we're to the studio.
Good morning, Eagles. My name is Emma.
And my name is Hayden.
If you want a yearbook, don't forget to order yours online at book.hrimaging.com. It's only $20 for a yearbook.
Any girls in 7th and 8th grade interested in playing softball, conditioning this week will be Wednesday from 5 to 6 and Thursday from 3 to 4:30. If you have any questions, please see Coach Hofstetter. Have a great week.
Staff and students, check out our Eagles Beat podcast on the podcast app and check out our latest episode where 3 girls talk about their DC experiences.
Who are those 3 girls, Emma B?
That would be me, Sophie, and Molly.
Exciting stuff. I love Sophie's part of that podcast.
There are lots of different topics on the show, so check it out.
Thank you, Emma and Hayden. Now it's time for a daily trivia. Please remember to text Mr. Meadow with your answer and we will announce the winners at the end of the news.
Here's the question. Get ready. Our question for today is, name something people make a wish on. Again, Eagles, the question is, name something people make a wish on.
Send your answers to Mr. Meadow before the end of the news, and we will share answers and point values.
Double points for 8th grade teachers today.
Okay.
Woo.
Time for birthdays. Today we are celebrating all Eagles who are from the 9th to today. Eagles celebrating their birthdays are
Evan C., Adam N., Khalil B., Anya F., Andrew N., and Corinthon R. Have a great day, Eagles.
Today we have a video by Bailey and Gavin. In this video, they show you how to make pasta in a pot. Roll it.
Hey Eagles, today we're going to talk about pasta in a pot.
Before you do anything, make sure to wash your hands.
The ingredients are pasta,
Pasta sauce,
bunch of cheese, especially ricotta.
and then some meat if you want some.
If you want to put meat in it, make sure to put it on a stove with a large pan.
Then throw some meat on it and cook it up.
Mix it up until it's all cooked.
Now for the pasta. First you want to heat up a pot half full of water.
When the water starts to boil, make sure to put in the pasta.
And then mix it up for 5 minutes.
After 5 minutes, make sure to take it over to the sink and pour it in a strainer.
Now pour red sauce into the pan. It's okay if it's not even because
You're going to shake the pan to even the sauce.
afterwards throw the pasta back in the pot and then spread it evenly across the sauce.
If you cook the meat, now's the best time to throw it on.
Now put clumps of ricotta cheese and cheddar cheese in it.
Now you put on the second layer of pasta sauce and make sure to make it even because you can't shake it up this time.
Then apply a second layer of noodles.
Now put on more meat and ricotta cheese and a cheese of your choice.
Now add a final layer of sauce. It doesn't have to be even.
Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
When the oven's preheated, put the pasta in the pot for 30 minutes.
When there's 5 minutes left, take the pasta in the pot out.
Now throw your last and final layer of cheese on.
Now throw it back into the oven.
When the timer's done, take it out and enjoy.
This is some good stuff. Thanks for watching, Eagles. Now back to the newsroom.
Wow, that looks delicious. I sure want to try some. We have 2 special birthdays that we forgot to announce. It is Bailey Bird's birthday and Ovia Konar's birthday.
Happy birthday!
let's check out
Oh yeah.
a video made by FJ, Alex, and Mr. Meta with yesterday's lunch, but it's such a good report we wanted to share with you today.
Welcome for lunch.
Hey, buddy, how you doing, Alex?
Good.
How's your day going today?
Fine.
Are you ready to do the lunch reports?
Yes.
Hey. Who's that dude?
I don't know.
What's the eagle doing here? Hey, eagle.
Hey, Eagle.
What's going? Wait a minute. We need to check out what's going on in here. Wait a minute. Who is? Hey, FJ. What are you doing in there? Huh?
I just said the Eagle News.
What is he doing? All right. Hey, you want to do lunch? All right. Hey, first thing for lunch, Eagle FJ. Hey, FJ, where's the camera? Hey, first thing for lunch is, yeah, look at it. Hamburger and cheeseburger.
Hamburger, cheeseburger.
Alex, French bread pizza, baby.
Fish bread, pizza.
What do you mean try again? Hamburger and cheeseburger?
Hamburger, cheese. Hamburger, cheeseburger.
Yes, all right. Now the next thing is, FJ Eagle, veggie burger. Look at the camera, tell him.
Veggie burger.
Veggie burger and then fries with veggie dip, Alex.
Fries and veggie dip.
Nah, he is so funny. Well, hey, that's it for Monday's lunch. Say goodbye. See you later. Say goodbye, Eagle. Funny guy.
As for lunch today, we have homemade macaroni and cheese with garlic toast,
Chicken sandwich.
Jet's Pizza.
And if you feel inclined, grab a sandwich or a salad.
Yeah.
Big thank you to all of our lunch ladies for providing us fabulous food throughout the school day.
And a helpful tip, don't run with scissors.
Thank you.
Why would we be taking scissors to lunch?
I don't know, maybe you want to just cut up.
Why
Do
not?
some artwork?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
All right, thanks.
Thanks,
What's wrong with
guys,
scissors?
for telling us what's for lunch. It sounds terrific as always. Before we get to our second video for today,
Let's send it over to the studio for our Hyatts Film Festival update.
Oh,
I missed that.
Actually, we will be doing App of the Day.
app of the day.
Today's App of the Day is Marco Polo. Mr. Meta learned about Marco Polo from Emmy Claire's old babysitter.
She uses Marco Polo to communicate with her son who is working in China. There is no charge for the app, but this is how it works. Find your friends in the app, click on a person you want to send a video message to, record the message, then the person you sent your message to will get a notification that a message is waiting for them.
That person will watch your message and then reply back to you when he/she wants to send a video message back. Pretty easy app to navigate, try it out. Now our update for the film festival. We have 0 groups who have
0 groups, everybody in this room. 0.
0.
I'm turning one in today.
I'm turning one in.
none.
Keep going.
We have 0 groups who have turned in their application to participate in the 10th annual Hyatts Film Festival.
Applications are in Mr. Meta's room or at the Eagles Post across from Miss Barnhart's office. The application packet is what you need to start your group's videos for the show.
The commitment forms from the packet are due February 25th in Mr. Meta's hand.
The next lunch and lit get together with the Delaware County Library is today.
The library will join us in order to share great books that you must read. If you're interested, grab a form from Mrs. Waltz and bring your lunch to the library on February 12th,
Which is today.
which is today.
Yeah, nice job, Luz.
For our second video today, we will have an amazing tasty video about how to make Oreo desserts. Let's roll it.
Oreo Desserts.
I'm Avery.
I'm Reagan.
I'm Lily.
I'm Quinlan.
And this is how we make Oreo balls. Our first step is to put the Oreos in a bag and beat them with the rolling pin.
Ooh, crunchy.
Grab your cream cheese. Smush it up.
If you want, you can even use an electric beater.
Roll them into tiny balls and place them on the parchment paper.
Take them out of the freezer. Pop in the toothpicks. Pour in some white chocolate chips. Boil some water.
Now you're gonna melt the chocolate, but don't burn it because
Das ist nicht gut.
Dip it in the chocolate.
Yum! Wow, that was tasty.
Wow, those look delicious.
Now on to last night in sports. Last night in the NBA, the Cavs beat the Knicks 107-104.
The Nuggets beat the Heat 103-87, and the Timberwolves beat the Clippers 130-120.
In the NHL, the Capitals beat the Kings 6-4, and the Sharks beat the Canucks in the blowout 7-2. And Mr. Meta's Penguins beat the Flyers 4-1.
That's all for sports. Now on to the student spotlight.
Today,
You guys got it? Who's doing it?
Today's student spotlight is Jaden from Mrs. Hollowball's advisory. Lindsay and Maddie were excited to learn that he plays basketball and Fortnite outside of the classroom.
And he does strings at school. Jaden said that he really likes the fun people and fun activities at Hyatt's.
His favorite food in the lunchroom is the famous Weekender, and we asked him what he is watching right now, and he said,
PewDiePie on YouTube. It was nice to meet you, Jaden.
I looked up PewDiePie.
PewDiePie?
Whatever it is, whatever, YouTube. Watch TV shows. Keep going.
What about Pew News?
Now on to our Google fact of the day.
Who was the actor inside R2D2?
Kenny Baker, born August 24th, 1934, is a British actor best known as the man inside R2D2 in the film series.
Baker, a 3-foot 8-inch, 112 centimeters tall, was a circus and cabaret performer with entertainer Jack Purvis, that's an R, when George Lucas hired him to be the man inside R2D2 in Star Wars in 1977.
Now let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Before we get to our trivia answers, let's take a look at our new daily segment.
Thanks again for playing.
Wait, our new daily segment, what
Yeah.
is it? You don't know what today's daily segment is? Tuesday's daily segment, what was it? Remember?
Oh, shoot.
The daily video?
I remember it's Math Monday.
What's tomorrow's?
Weather.
No, not weather. Tomorrow's Spirit Day.
Oh, yeah.
Run the Spirit Day video. Run it.
Hello, everybody. My name is Krishna, and I have a question. Do you know what Thursday this week is? Valentine's Day. Today, you're supposed to wear red. Some people might say, why red for Valentine's Day? Well, that's because the color red symbolizes love, beauty, passion, courage, respect, and even congratulations.
Thanks again for playing trivia with us today. We really appreciate it. Now let's see who won.
What was that? What was
the other one.
what was the day? What
other
was
one.
what was the day for Thursday? We're red?
Yeah,
we're
Is
red.
that what that intense video was about?
Yeah.
All right, we're red on Thursday.
All right, for name something people make a wish on, Wishbone was first for 42. No one got that.
No one got wishbone.
No.
Wow.
Coin in a wishing well was 21 points. No one got that. Star was third for 17th place. Sloan, Nicolosi, Diekman, Vogue, Thompson, Valls, Coons, Mayer, Juan, and Flayhive got that. Birthday
Wish upon a
candles.
star.
I would say
When you
dandelion.
wish
Birthday
upon a
candles.
star.
Birthday candles was the fourth answer for 6 points. Will forgot that. And flower or a dandelion was the last question. Was the last one, and no one got that one.
I'd
Where are all the
say,
8th grade
yeah,
teachers?
I don't know.
No
You guys
eighth
are
grade
getting
extra
extra
points.
points
No
today.
no eighth grade
That's
extra
sad.
points.
Well,
huh?
8th graders need
How
to
come
start
Maybe we
going.
should take a pair of scissors and cut them off the list.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
How come like the first 2 answers
Okay.
are like nobody?
Hey,
but then-
Gavin, you're not on the news. You're not. No one's supposed to know you're down there.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't exist. I'm not down here.
I am Britain.
And I'm Lucy.
As always, thank you for tuning in today for the 86th episode of Eagle News.
We hope you loved today's show.
My name is
I did.
Emma.
A+.
My name is Emma.
And I'm Hayden.
Have a totally tubular Tuesday.
You have to make sure to get off those books in a hurry.
And make sure you don't run with scissors.
That's right. Don't. Oh, bonus
Bye.
points for Emma.
Bye.
Go Penguins!
You gotta grab that luce. You gotta bust that thing. Get your kicks on the street.